Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am opening the stickers from Live Love Posh. Her name is Jessica. She was on a squad last year and this year she has her own line of stickers and I am very excited for her. This is my second order. This is her second release. I blacked out the invoice because it contains my personal information, but let me show you what I ordered. So I got a vellum from her and it's personalized and I could not be happier about it. Let me show you. I was so excited about this. So here's one, here's the second one. They are amazing. She did an incredible job. Let me grab my planner and pop them in and show you guys what that would look like. So I'm gonna open September and I'm gonna put them on the white background to show you like the full extension of how beautiful this is. Look at that. I've never had anything personalized for my planner like that, so I am beyond excited. So I get to have those too. It's super awesome. Look how beautiful they are. Truly incredible. Thank you so much, Jessica. And I think this is the quickest I've ever had anything personalized, because I ordered it in the morning. It was out, I believe, the next day. It's just incredible. And then these are the stickers. So these are the sticker sheets that she has. This is this beautiful floral. I will leave her website down below, so if you guys want to order, you can. These sheets come in a set of 5, so you have 3 florals and then you have boxes and then you have bullet points and lettering. I think it's amazing. So I have this set. Let me show you my next set. These are just beautiful. And then these blue and yellow are just so incredible. And especially because we don't have that many blue florals in our arrangement. And again, this color scheme is just so lovely with the greens and the yellows and the blues. I think it goes perfectly. She has an eye for color, doesn't she? And then the third one is this bubblegum, like blue and pink. And I think that's amazing as well. So I think Jessica did such a great job. I wanted to show you guys what these look like. So I have 15 sheets of stickers from her, and I'm gonna be doing a plan with me. Not this coming up week because those are already filmed for the following week. So I'll just show you the stickers again. And I hope you liked it because I really love them and I can't wait to use them. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very quick unboxing and I'll see you very soon. Bye.